asking people at HLAA what is their least favorite sound.
Oh, I need my brakes done, so the squeaking on my brakes right now while I'm driving.
Oh my God, that's the worst.
It is.
People who bite their fork when they eat. That's a weird sound. I don't know how people get away with it, but yeah.
Where it's like, chattering on the teeth a little bit.
Yeah, it's weird.
Sometimes there's like a machine that could be in a van or it could be in the AC, and I was like, where's that noise coming from?
The dings in the car when your seatbelt's not on.
Yes.
I hate it.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Don't get in my car if you're not going to wear your seatbelt, because I don't want to hear that sound.
I know, those dingers are so annoying. I feel that.